Greetings, it's Will from stormthecastle.com, and you are watching the Cardboard Castle YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. And this is an unboxing video, which is a little bit weird. I've done one unboxing video before, but seems like it's kind of thin in terms of content. But you might find this one interesting because I'm going to point out a few things and show you a few things and talk about a little bit about an upcoming project. So let's launch into it. So this is a project that I've been working on for a little bit now, and you haven't seen anything on this channel. It's on my other YouTube channel. It's a stained glass window of a knight on a pilgrimage. And I want to, now take a look at this. This is the actual real window, 100-year-old window that I'm replicating. And you can see that it's got paint on it. It's painted. So I have to, the final step here in making this window from scratch is to paint it with special glass paint. And to do that, I need a light box. Well, I think I need a light box. I think it might be good to help me to get the painting just right. So what I've done is I've ordered some sheets of clear plastic off of Amazon so I can make the light box. And that'll be the project coming up. You know, how to make a cardboard light box. And of course the sheets of plastic aren't cardboard, but so I wanted you to take a look and see. I really got a pretty good deal, I feel, because if you go to like Home Depot or Lowe's and get stuff like this, it's really very expensive. Sheets of clear plastic, sometimes it's called Lexan, that's a name brand, and sometimes it's called plexiglass, and there are a couple of other names for it, but this stuff is, I think it's also maybe another name for it might be polycarbonate maybe, but I'm really shocked by how expensive it is, but I got a good deal on this. And I got a couple of really big sheets of it, so I have some flexibility. And I wanted the light box to be big enough to fit the whole window. I want to place the window on the light box with the light on, and that way I can paint it. So that's what's coming up. That making the light box is what's coming up. But let's take a look here at the actual clear plastic sheets. It's really well packaged. I was really happy with that. And like I said, I got a really good deal on it, so I was pretty happy about that. And they have, in this particular one from this company, I'll put a link in the description of the video if you want to know the exact ones that I bought on Amazon. But it also has these little corner plastic protectors on the corners. You can see one there in the lower right-hand corner. That's a plastic protector to protect the corners during shipping. Which I was reading the reviews, and there actually is a lot of problems with the corners getting broken during shipping. You know, they're throwing those boxes around, but there you go. Now, it is clear plastic, but it has a protective layer of, well, plastic over it that you can peel off. And I won't do that in this video. But anyway, so that's a project coming up. You peel that plastic off of both sides, and then it's clear. That's a project coming up. Stay tuned. If you think you're interested in how to make your own light box out of cardboard, I'm going to show you how to do that. Thanks.